Na ulit. Mga nagagaramit ko.
Ang sakit kayo ba yan?
For the likes.
Bibiin mo dito. Bibiin mo dito. Bibiin mo dito. Malapit ko. Hello? Hello? Puro man lang. Tapos sa million.
Weakness mo?
Unahan ko pa yan.
Thank you for the love. Hi, Mike. I do that.
Ay, maging top 1 ka lang.
I do live.
Mga ano na. Pandra. Maintenance namin QI.
May ano, SP.
Good morning. Time to have breakfast, yeah. Time to breakfast.
Top 1.
Thank you for the likes.
Oh, ano na.
Ito ka na.
Bakto yada ko.
Ay. Yung top 2 na lang. Lulok siya. Kaya na yung ito, yung nagabihin ka.
Ay, wala.
Balang kang mag-agayan.
Sabi ko, ikaw na
Ay, nai ko na 60 ba si ano ko.
Bara.
Ay, bilyon ka. Bilyon. Ay, talaga. Ay, bilyon.
Pumunta daw ka. Nanay ka na marit dito.
Ay, maghugas ka mo.
Opo.
Okay.
Nasulan mo.
Wala na bilyon. Wala na bilyon. Bilyon.
Mag-revert ka na? Revert.
Thank you, my man. Good morning. Zanas.
Parang dito na. Parang dito. Parang dito. Uy. Speaker.
Pagkagay. Ang laki.
Bay naman daw rin.
Ibang panukap.
Maningin sa ako.
Kanina. Medyo masama yung panahon. Gumawa na naman ako kalokohan sa akin, Daddy. At panoorin
Mulit
dito
dito sa
may
kita.
mag-iirak.
Ito niya di.
Ikaw nga lang.
Bay naman daw gab. Mga niya dirang itong kanina.
Iya, kita.
Tulog.
Tingin.
Balik mo.
Yo.
Tapos na.
Thank you, Beglan.
Thank you for the watching in the Big House. Live in to. Cheryl PayPal. PayPal?
PayPal. PayPal.
PayPal?
Dati di mo man sabihin ko tangan.
Marang na nga yun. Pahinggit mo boy, ano ka pala yun? Training ka mo kasi ano no. Ikaw talaga na ako.
Hugas ka mga aking ganyan. Ako na. Pwede na natin doon. Kaya naman ako mailo. Ang sarado naman. Sarado naman tayo.
Main, natang nausap pala sira. Nano ka? JTC ka lang pa eh. Nakay ko lang. Hindi ko na ako kaya dito. Ito. Ikaw pa. Oy, ano nag-ulit. Ay, Maxi yun. Na ano yun, dito.
Bakit, Cheryl? Hi, Kuya Dre! Kumusta, Kuya Dre? Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good morning, Biglang. Ay, yung lasa.
Hello? Hindi. See you.
Are you so beautiful? No smile.
Ay, sa'yo. Upo yun.
Kuya. Kuya Joy. Hello, beautiful. Walter Graham, hi.
Ay.
Let's. Oh, why? We don't. I don't know you. You don't know me.
Dapat nanganak na?
Omo, papa. Opo. Mano. Ma'am, chocolate.
I don't understand Angelo Martinez. What it means.
ko doon.
Hindi.
Santa Claus eh. Santa Claus. Oh, ay, Santa Claus. Tapos na ba ng Pasko?
Ay, ka mo, Grace? Ah.
May Roblox ka.
Kamilawas?
In-skip na raw.
Ano ito? Para to.
At parang sabi ka sa akin,
Ugatong pa rin kayo long. Gano'n pa rin makapress na sobra 20.
Sabi ko, hindi ako sa'yo.
Sobra 20 sa ako.
may libre daw din.
Wala ako dito si Kapiti. Kagahapon sa road. Sabi niya niya.
Ma'am Cheryl, do you have a Philippine ID? Yes, I have a Philippine
Tapos,
ID.
abogado pa siya.
National ID.
Sakit siya ng
Give me the ID. PhilHealth. Pag-ibig ID.
Ano siya
Yeah, but why? Why you say that, Kuya Dre?
May nabiling pa siya dito. Di kanina.
Why you asking, Kuya
May batog
Dre?
ba ba?
Mauranon. Turumba na na.
Sabi ko, hindi ko tumakaan ba? Kaya makutuloy.
Ano pala? Ano pala?
Ito ba kayo nabasa sa balay? Baka kasama na ito.
Tapos
Nakulay
pagka
mo?
alas 12,
Ah,
tapos si Widya na yun, tumamimili na
Sarap
ako.
din tira.
Nagaya, tinampak lang mo na niya. Eh kung wala, abutan sa ano. Kung naghahakot pa siya.
But no passport, yeah. No passport.
Wala, di na makahakot. Eh, bahaw na.
Kaya di, tarapok.
Tapos na.
Oo.
No passport.
Nagtago ka.
Marami sa ano. Ay, marami sa ano.
Rinuto ni Bob ni Gabo. Maharang po na.
Pagkantan.
Concept kanton.
Yung nabutan tulog.
Ilang agad yan tulong po ito. Sige, sabi ni Jerome, si Ben. Silvia Sar, si Ben, si Jerome, ano, pera.
Ano pala kaya ni Jerome?
Ano man sinaraduhan ng pinto ni Eliazar. Yung walang bata niya sa baan. Siya ang gabi.
Yung pasabaan naman?
Diriw ka. Pagluwasan ama, sinaraduhan ng pinto. Wala luwas-luwas.
Any other places you've been in the Philippines? Yeah. Good morning. Good morning, Rick. Frank Lemon. Any other places you've been in the Philippines? Any other places? What do you mean? Sorry, I'm not good at English.
Second jack bag. Na, one second.
First, let's eat. Let's eat. Hi, Rick. It's PJ. Big love.
Ganina, ika-port ako. Yan, kasi, yung parang, sit,
Thank you, 22 people.
enter.
Good morning, swimming girl. Swimming. Alpalan serving. Swimming. Charming. Swimming. Charming. Huh? Charming. Charming. Mean good food. See, good food. Ah, okay. Now you're making me hungry.
Kasi gulo sa pagkakas.
Eh,
Ako yun lang, isikin.
ah,
Para ano ako lang siya. Bildong ka na. Billion. Mahal na yun. Sana umalik na yun yun.
Noodles. Yeah, noodles.
Hindi pa gulay. Ano, ikaw lang magsulo lang ko yan.
Tama din diyo. May ano pa din diyo. May
Una, ako nag-abuhay po dahil. Wala pa na naman. Sikip lang. Sikip lang. Para ko daw. Sige pa.
Sabi mo, nagkakaroon tayo na may green din ha.
Hindi ko din na imudo.
Spaghetti.
Oo. Akaano mong bagagi, bow?
Ayun, giniling mo. Ay, giniling pala ng babakan.
Oo, mabang na lang.
Hindi yan ang init.
Sa kan baga? Sarap ang budget ko.
Pagpagdali.
Tira, 21 na yan si Jerome.
Sabi niya, malipas man. Iba na yung tip
Hindi
niya.
ako nagsip ko. Itutulos ako.
Pero ang iba na ano, handa na.
Anong oras ako?
Oo, ano ba?
Handa na siya. Ano may isip niya? Gayon.
Ang iniisip niya ba?
Bonifer.
Nagsisip yun.
21 years old.
No, oras.
Friends na nila.
Pagabi.
Friends na nila kagabi.
Sabi ko dapat may nakatindog yun. Sabi may nakatindog na ba?
Yun.
At sito pala, binutan nila sa sito. Like travel to Visayas or Palawan. Just buy ticket. No need to passport. Just buy a ticket. Just need to see the travel to Palawan or the Visayas. Just buy a ticket and you have a Philippine ID. But even if travel to go to abroad, just need to passport or working visa. Something. Passport and working visa. Going to another country.
Ang ko ang lunggur. Ay, lunggur. Hindi. Hindi naman. Anong ko, yamon niya tayo diya. Yamon niya, no? Ano pero ito ba arawan? Ano pa ko na si Tangdi? Kaday siya din na kaya ko. Purto. Ito na.
Alright. Supam.
Oh, si ano? Si. Yadio, Yadio. Sino yun?
Nakita ko at sinabi ko ikaw niya.
Ay na, 1-4. OP. Ay. Berapa menit? Bagaimana perlu? Ay, trillion. Ay, walang bakal kakakit. Ang gano'n. Ay, ay. Mag-revert ka na kaya, Mark? Mag-revert ka na?
Inarabot na ang
Huwag na ko umaya dad, yan may maano. Pero yun sa inventory mo.
Oo.
Para yun nila.
Magandang umaga, Cheryl. Magandang umaga po. Hi, Jerome. CBD. Good morning, Cheryl.
bato di mo
Hi,
na kaya.
John. Good morning, John. Oh my God, Cheryl. Oh, salamat po. Thank you po. Ito saan ka?
Stay.
Jimon. Kamusta ka? Okay
Ako,
naman
ako
po.
rin na kaya.
Jimon. Jose.
Kasi,
Ipag natin, regalo ni Gila.
Bitin na.
Palay ko na lang.
that rin.
Yun.
Pero 37 magudan si Kiko.
Lakiway.
Para sa kami na
Sa quadrillion.
37.
Ay, ano yun? Ano yun?
Anong tungtong sa?
Dahil
Adik talaga.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Kenneth.
Ibarang kitin. May pinakadagan ako dito. Mabay. Nalapot na lang.
baga sa liyam. Ang pahigda baga na yun.
Maghugas ka mo, Gab, ha? Maghugas ka mo.
Marami, tas na lang lakart.
Di ba ko na? Ano na lang.
Ano nga sabi mo, papamuga.
Salamat.
Hi, Ronel. Thank you so Ronel. You look nice and refreshed today. Thank you, John. Hi, Sir Ronel.
Ay, ano naman yung pwede?
Hi, Wolf. Hey, Wolf. Turn around. Let me see. Thank you, 26 people. It's so
Ano na ako rato.
Ay, mato.
Hello, how are you today? Mac Cowboys. Fine.
Gamit ko akong tawag.
So lang, ang ilik-ilik.
I hear the roasters speak the some languages there, yeah.
Ito na,
The roaster. My
Ay mo
God.
din yung bag. Sabi nila, Aldo.
Ay! Oh, shucks! Well, nag-start di ako dito.
Jimmy Moore, thank you. Hey, Cheryl. Hey, Jimmy Moore. Where's the leggings today? No leggings today. No leggings. No, just leg.
At sa inyo ako.
Merlanes. Cat dance scared you, yeah. Can you put some? No. I have no leggings. Might send another super chat. Okay, just send first. Then I put the leggings. You will send a super chat and I put the leggings.
Binakal niya. Sabi niya yung dog ko yun. First time niya.
Tulog na ano to na yung speak.
Thank
Ang
you,
late,
23 people.
Sarap. Ang big yes. Nakadaw na kay King Pet. Sinigas no? Batak magpanin.
No, that's not a cute bag. Your dad is looking a lot better, yeah.
Alam niya ka na yan. Music na.
Thank you so much, Ben. Thank you so much. My dada, hero for Barasong, please. Yes, please.
Naman, ikaw huwag ka nagpani.
Here it is. Yeah.
Nagpani ka sarap. So, pero pinapatay. Kaya, hindi nakapatay sa inyo.
Why do you eat while standing, Cheryl? Yeah. No chair. No,
Ang
about
tao
chair.
hindi na ubusan sa agas. Ano, ubusan niya na? Itong dara kaya laban dara. Darawa na fly. Hindi na ubusan ka. Ano ito sa kasa? Yung just roong pinalit. Kasi hindi ko saan pa ako. Hindi man. Oh, wala ba naman?
Girl has got some moves.
Baka bit bumawit mo na
Like
yun.
35 people.
Batak yun.
I would make a chair for you. Thank you, Sir Ronel. Thank you. No available. If you travel somewhere, where would you go? I would like to go to Switzerland, my dream country. So, because I love the nature there, the landscape, the view, beautiful. Switzerland.
Ay, classic man lang yan. Ay, girl,
I'm a nature lover.
Tulis yan. Ay, chlorine. Paano sabi niya hindi lang? Nay, namatay.
I would make a thank you. I double read. I always my eyes. Good day. Do you like blue eye? Yeah. Yeah, I love blue eyes. I like blue eyes. Yeah, beautiful eyes.
Terkibula.
Yeah. Because Marco si Brazil. Hi. Oh wow. Oh my god, wow.
Hindi wa mo yun.
The challenge. Oh wow. Oh my god. For $1. Like my god.
Oh, may ano.
Okay. I have a sense of humor, so the challenge.
Dire, andi dire.
Wait. Oh my god.
Sa build sa keyboard yan.
I need to find the leggings. Where's the leggings? Oh my god, the leggings. Wait. The leggings. Oh my god. What that your pocket money, Wolf? Yeah. Wolf, why one? Yes, the leggings. Oh my god. Done. Oh my god, my leggings. Sorry, miss serum. Where's Dano? Big one, one whole dollar. My god, wow. Wow, really be respectful. Oh, thank you. For $1. The leggings turn around. Turn around. Okay, bye. Done. Thank you, 25. Murakano. Murakano. I thought he joked, but oh my god, he sent. The challenge accepted. Oh my god. I thought Wolf is joking. Oh my god. Bye bye. Love fantastic. Thank you. I wasn't done. Was going to keep tracking. No, it was done. Just $1. Sorry. Maybe next time.
Makabunto kita ha. Man. Pahinga dito sa
Kada dito tabi ano
An.
silpot dire. Ang silopin dito kay basurahan. Dito sa may gilid sa may gilid sa may ining ko niyo ni Court sa likod niyo. Ining ko niyo ni Court. Mura. My God. Yeah. Where you from? From Philippines. Thank you, Rick. Paganay mood ko.
Ang plastic.
Plastic, basurahan. Hindi mo ako dito plastic. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Good mo, Gab. Gab, hindi mo sa kantong. Wando yan sa Oo, mga yun. Hindi mo naman ako.
Mga.
Pero si Ben. Ang sinabi, plastic wala kulay. Ano ba ito na niya? Pa-shoutout po from Bacolod. Hi from Bacolod. Gab. At nasabi ko kanya. Pati ay mahal. Have you ever had a Gecko stick to your skin? No. Gecko, what Gecko stick? What is that? I don't know what is that. Ronel? Gecko stick. What is Gecko stick? My God. A little lizard called no. 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 A little lizard. It's so cute and beautiful. Because the greatest things love all is happening. God. Gecko is toko. No. Kulugo. Just a kulugo. No kulugo. No Gecko. No. Oh my God, no. No Gecko. Oh my God. What's your favorite song? Lead Me Lord, my favorite song. And do you like, I like Taylor Swift. Magandang umaga, Mike Mercado. Giovanni. Hi, Giovanni. Kulugo pala yun. Not toko, it's kulugo. Toko. 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 Oh my God. Every night in my dream, I see I feel it. Toko. Oh my God, the toka. I heard this stick on really hard and it's hard to take it off. Yeah, the kologa, it's really hard to take it off. To take off. It's really hard. The kologa. It's kologa. I have no kologa. I have no giku skin. Oh my god, the giku skin. Morning. Thank you, Gogan. Good morning. Good morning, Golden. Hello, Golden. You're cleaning? Yeah, I'm cleaning. Thank you, Jibalin. Anderson Salva. I'm cleaning pa. Driving. How is everyone doing? Cleaning po, cleaning. Kuya Gab, bada-bada ako sa hod doon. Bada-bada ako sa hod. Driving.
Lalak si Papa ya.
Tell me what to do, what's that? All the things that reminds you of Kuya Gab! Kuya Gab! Wala mo tayo ba sa dustpan?
Bang, bang.
Hindi, bata mo na doon. Thank you po. You are very, very welcome. Very welcome.
All the things that reminds me of you. I want to hear the songs you used to sing, and then with me. I don't wanna feel the pain anymore. I don't wanna feel the songs that you should know. All the things that reminds me of you. All the things that reminds me of you.
Thank you so much. Lumitaw. Thank you, 51 people. Ronel, Miranda, hi. Ronel.
Mama, 52 likes na.
Ay, wow, 52 likes. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, Dalton. Oh my God, 53 likes. Thank you so much.
Alas na nakita mo mapabunto.
Ano ba ba yan?
Yan, eda.
Marami na po na. Daran ko na lang ang cellphone.
Pagkatapos mo mag-live, makato ka na?
Oo.
Nick, hindi ka ba makaon?
Nagkaon na.
Makaon ka muna bago ako pagkata.
Nagkaon na ako.
Ano, alas 12 yan.
Wala.
Magkata.
Nakatunata mo sa mataas ko. Thank you, Golden.
Tapos mag-live.
Ano ba yan?
Hindi natin important yan sa bunta. $2.
Thank you so much. Hi, Rick. Like, share, subscribe, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, Rick. Dali.
Sarado ka na.
Oo. Grabe nga.
Hindi ako.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.
Binaramdaman namin. Ramdaman mo na. Ramdaman. Aray! La! Mungol.
Yes.
Huwag ka tabi din ba?
Thank you. Ako.
Ay! Lemon! Lemon!
Halibig.
O bahay na bahay. Ay, kitang, bola ko dira, kinala ni mama. Akin na. Akin na laruan, akin na. Kami na, ilagay ko dito ang tabo, lagay ko ang kami.
Thank you. Good morning, thanks. Hello, morning. Vaxo. Jerome. Jerome. Well, plans. It's alright.
Ano yun, ano? Nalabay ito, dinuguan? Katain lang daw, katain. Thank for the 56 likes. Water? Ay, palo. Palo. Ay, sus na yun. Nagawa na po. Lag na. Uy, lag. Nag-season. Grabe na rin. Eh, magmuda. Ganon. Ay, nakadaan sa Taiwan na price. Eh, duwan ako daw kay Juan na price. Bibili pa. Hihi, not that. Bulatan dito. Pwede ikadua. Iya, dahil. Shade. Hello, beautiful daw. Raman din si beautiful lang. Bubuan. Diba? Look! AI! Hindi na! Ubusan ang gas! Nag-anak ako 30 minutes. Gamit ko pa ng mistake ko. Dito to, wala mo na wala lang mga sinasabi may kubento. Wala mo yun. Kahit may noya tingin mo. Kaya ko lang tawid. Kaya ko lang tawid. Maganda. Yeah. Ma'am, 58 likes na. 8 likes. $2 lang ang nakatok sa inyo. Yes, ma'am.
Alright, raining here. Oh my God. Raining here in the Philippines. Raining. God. Raining in Manila. Donnie, hi Donnie. Glenn, hi Glenn. Oh my God. Not yet going to the why raining here? Sounds like it's raining harder. Yeah, it's raining here. Raining. Still raining. I need to buy the umbrella. My umbrella is lost. That's why I need to buy someone. I need to buy one. Thank you so much. It is snowing here with freezing rain. Huh? Oh my God, freezing rain. My God. The snow. God, no. Freezing rain. So cold, too cold. Ooh. You don't have to see it sooner. Yeah. 30 people. Thank you so much. 59 likes. Oh my god. You'll be happy to see it soon. The snow, the no, the frozen rain. Paldo aja, paldo aja. At nasabi kong ikaw na nga. Ouch. 29. Wow, maybe get 100 likes soon. Yeah, 100 likes. How I wish 100 likes today. My God. Yeah, the snow we check about that. Remember? Ah, yeah, the snow. Oh my God, the snow is oh my God, so cold. So cold, but beautiful. The form of the snow. 59 likes. Thank you so much. Nakita ko at sinabi kong ikaw na. You are sweet. Thank you. Why you say that I'm sweet? Because I look like sweet. Porridge.
I like it.
Beautiful Kwan. I love that word. Oh my God, the Kwan. Why you know Kwan? Hi, John B. I love. Why you know? Who tell you Kwan? Who teach you Kwan? Yes, dark side, make a snowman come in the house, and I thought chocolate by the fire. Wow. Chocolate by the fire. Oh, 60 likes. Wow, 60 likes already. Which country are you from? I'm from Philippines. Living in the Philippines. At sinabi ko Arek, you can adjust the autocorrect. Autocorrect. I think it's the time for a new phone. This phone changes my words every time. This phone changes my words every time. Ah, okay. I'm trying to learn some words, but that one everyone uses when thinking of word use or explain. Oh my God, the kuwan. It's I love the kuwan. Beautiful kuwan. The kuwan. Classic seems like ano is more common. Yes, like ano. The kuwan is like ano. Kuwan is like a province, the native word, the Kuwan. Like here in Bicol, we know Kuwan. In Visayas, knows Kuwan. Kuwan means like ano, ano, like, I like ano, something like that. I like Kuwan. Something like that. I love kuwan. I love ano. Ano is Tagalog then? Ano is Tagalog? No. Ano is what? Ano, what? The ano and the ano is what? Yes. I love the ano. I like the ano. Something like I like one. I like one. Sige, 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 sige. Sige, sige. Nice to meet you. I'm from Indonesia. Nice to meet you too, Faldo Aja. John, I'm trying, but a lot to learn. My God, yeah. A lot to learn because Philippines, oh my God, many languages here like Bisaya, Ilocano, Ilonggo, Bicol, but you need to prepare our mother tongue like Tagalog. Everywhere we are all going, wherever you're going to here in the Philippines, speak Tagalog. They, they know them. Also English. I hope you're having a wonderful morning, Cheryl. Thank you, Heg. Same to you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you, my God. 62 likes na. 63? Oh my kulay. Binawi yung 62 na lang. They change your mind. He or she changed your mind. I'm not available, Pal Georgia. Classic, yeah, it's crazy. Having so many languages and dialect in a small country. That's correct, John B. Hard to learn in common conversation. Me too. Even if I going to Mindanao, they are speaking Bisaya. Sometimes I don't know what they talking about. What's happening? Oh my God! I feel like I'm others. I feel like I'm not a Filipino. I'm Filipino, but we're going to another province here. Oh my God, they speak Ilonggo, speak Bisaya, they speak Ilocano, they speak Waray. A lot languages, dialect they speak. Yeah. That's why different here in the Philippines. Need more to learn, but no need to. You focus on Tagalog language and Cebuano. Yeah, Cebuano is a Bisaya. Cebuano, Davaoenyo, Davao is Bisaya. They are Bisaya. At sinabi kong ikaw ang I've been told more people speak Bisaya, though Tagalog is the national language. Yeah, our national language is Tagalog. So, Frances, hi Frances, good morning. Yes, 63 na. Yung bumawi ng nag-double tap siya. Kalimutan niya, pag double tap niya, na-double yung tap niya kaya na like. So, ayaw niya. So, I changed my mind. Binawi. Dagdag kasi yun sa likes ko. Baka sayang, di ba? Sumikat ako sa isang likes. Manggad pa. My God. Merlanes Prof. Hi, Merlanes Prof. Buzzkini. 18 people. Thank you so much. Kita ka at sinabi ko ikaw. I fell. Maybe I need to go because the rain is little stop. But it's still raining, but not too hard, not heavy. Ang mga umaga na wala kayo malungkot. Wow, nag-translate. At least nag-effort. What a beauty. What a beauty. Hi Leo, hi Kisakiran, hi Kisakrikan, hi Kisalrikan. Leo Torres, hi.
Pabalik ako sa ring.
23 people. Thanks so much. Nag-64 na. Ang galing naman. Ang galing. 64 likes na. Wow. Chicken saying hi again. Hello again. Chicken saying. Chicken speak here. Good morning, people. Come get up, get up. At sinabi kong ikaw na nga ang hinahanap at marasa. Did you check out the hibachi stuff? What hibachi? No, not yet. What the hibachi? I mean, sorry. What is that? I forgot, sorry, the hibachi. The coffee maker? Jalok, no more mo. Redmi S2. Hibachi. Hibachi grill. The hibachi grill, I forgot the ano. Yeah, not yet experienced the hibachi grill. The hibachi. Never done. Not yet experienced.
6-7 na yun. 6-7.
Forgot ano. Forgot hibachi. Forgot ano. I forgot the ano.
Mamaya, disend lang.
Ay, babang! Oh my God, kiss Wawa. Well, what? What do? Say hi, Baba mo. Say hi. Bye-bye. Say hi. It's real running there or did it stop yesterday? No, not stop yesterday. It's still raining. But I think it's going to stop now.
Bye.
Say hi, say hi. Oh, sorry. Oh my God. Why you don't like? Slipper? Hello, little one. Bilis mo, Wawa. Ay, halong dami ang slipper. Wow, sana all. Pedro Gonzalez. Kanamin hindi kay kutuhan kay kung ano ka. Magkutuhan ka. Wow, ang bait!
Dang, ano yung ball? Dang, ball. Ball. Eh, ball ball. Ano? Tarag. Ang libre. Ano ka? Jayla, no! Tadiin ka, Jayla. Tadiin ka. At ka kaya na, mama mo? Yan, si Jayla.
All the family is showing up. Yeah. All the family.
At si Jayla. Pero na-likes mo 7. 6.
66 likes.
Na lang, pero na lang 6, 7. 6, 7. Fine. Likes. 6.
Thank you so much. Aray.
Aray ko.
Aray
Aray mo.
ko.
Tatak. Please like. Na lang. Say hi. Hi. Hello. 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 6, 7. 6, 7. 26 na rin. Kapag ihapon na ramang ano, 6, 7. 6, 7. 7. 20, 26. Diba si, 6, 7 na.
Yeah. 67 has invaded Philippines. Oh, 67. Yes, 67. 67 likes.
67 like na.
Yes.
6, 7. 6, 7. Wala, 666. Comment ka mo 67. Comment 67. Ipa 76 niya.
Yes,
6, 7. At 20 ang viewers mo daw. 6 man ang ano.
11. Thank you sa like.
68.
Yes, 66 likes. Oh my God.
Ito, 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. Say hi daw, mama. Hi. Hi. 6, 9.
Wow, 69.
Para pa man. Ala, 8 viewers na lang. Ano, naghatag kay mama. Good afternoon.
Eric Gohering.
Good
Hi, Eric
morning.
Gohering.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning.
Thank you po.
Thank you for the people in the house, in the one people. 14 house. Ay, 14. Thank you for the 14 house and one people. Ay, 6 to 8, 6, 9,
69.
6, 7. Hindi ako nahali sa 7. 6, 7. 6, 1. Yun, mama, na PayPal.
PayPal, parang ano siya.
Parang ano?
Parang Gcash.
Ha? What? Comment ka ko 6'7". 6'9". Ah, di ka nagsimila. Ah, kasi mama mo ba no?
Hindi ko naman siya ba?
Ayun, ang gamit mo bag. Habo ko ang gusto kong bag ko.
Yes.
And, syempre kay Batak. Bakat ako, bakat ay Batak. 10. 15 viewers
15 people.
in the house.
And,
1 people. 15 house. 1 people.
good morning!
Hop, hop, bawal maglabas.
Nagluluwa, nag-uran.
Leila! Tara, bili tayo pop-up. Pepa? Pop-up. Tara, tara, tara.
Pag ano, ikaw magbabakal dyan.
K-pop? Ay, K-pop? Ulan ba ka? Ay, mapakaring ka.
Nag-uulan.
Pay, pay, pay.
Raining.
Pay, 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 pay,
No,
pay.
not allowed going outside.
Bu, 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 bu.
May badyan ka pa. Getting close. 100 is only 31 more. Yes, getting close. 31 more.
6, 9,
Yes.
6, 8 pala. Ay, 6,
31 more likes, please. Go ahead.
Andamang mama. Lumbasilang mo. Sana may gawa sa lahat ng bagay ng sinulat at paglanay. Ikaw at ikaw pa rin. Saan mo ba ulit-ulit? Tawag tayo pa rin. Sinulat sa ukat.
That you'll be here forever. Arika. Oh my God, 69 likes. Oh my God. 31 more likes. Oh my, really.
Naku, ma-skillan na ako sa agahan.
Wala ka nang sinabi na wala kang school.
Ma-skillan na sa agahan. Kasi saan yung list main? Birthday ni Kane.
Ni?
Ha?
Birthday ni?
Kain mo.
Sino may birthday?
Wala man. Yung magkumalan.
16 people.
May skillan ka lang sa aga. Siri. Ay,
So your whole family sings. Yeah. Hi, darling. Yeah, we love singing. Filipino loves singing.
Iban, example daw man.
I love singing, but the music don't like.
Wala ako, kaya mo. Ama, 150 mo sa ako.
Diri ko nalugod ikaw bakalan sin gamit.
Alsay. Bira, ang kwarta mo. Ano, 85. Kulang.
Magastos kung pan. Dili mo na magastos. Di maara mag-ipon. Siyas nga ni na kaipong kwarta.
Pero naanay ko niya.
Kawan kasi as. Binakal niya gamit niya. Oh, dapat irugso.
Puro mga pagkumain nila. Ito, may mga nila na
Pag intatagang ka, dapat iniipon yung gastos-gastos. Wawa, Nano! Yes? Yes. Yep. Wawa, I'm here. Yes, what happened? Come here, Babang. Babang! Baba. Po!
Ay, Jayla ka na.
Come here! Po! Ay!
Ano mo yung nagalon?
Kutuhan mo dahil anak mo.
Ha?
Uh, does your family does as much as you? Yeah. Philippines are very good singers. Maybe. I don't know. But not all. Yep. Pa. Hi, Hex. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you, Hex. Certain people in the house. Thank you so much.
Mahal ka mo? Ha? Nag-smile talaga.
I get lost in your eyes. Thank you so much. Oh, 70 likes. Oh my god, the 70 likes. Wow. Pa! Pa! Yes, baby. Come here, baby. Yes. I don't know. Where's your mama? Oh, 71 likes. Oh my god. Tira na lang. 29 more. Hi, baby. Babang. Come here. Come here, bang.
Dito. Papakutan ka na. Ay!
Hey.
Dito doon. Dam! Bawa! Ngayad niya sinilas niya. Ngayad talaga naman siya. Kaya min. Kaya tita amin no.
Ano yun?
Naingayaan.
Wow, ang galing. Hala,
Tinong galing.
hindi makita ng galing.
Iman, didi.
Maaramon. Ay, 72. Oh my God! Thank you for the likes. Meron po, ma'am. Marami nang sa atin nagkukutuhan pa talaga kayong mag-ina. Hindi kami mag-ina, my God. Pamangkin ko siya.
Report mo, mama, report. Kaya si bebe.
Yade.
72 na. Sirang bata, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, turog na ako. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Turog na mama, mama, mama.
Send first before
Dam,
the...
ito.
Oh my God.
Dam. Dam ah. Hili, ayaw. 70 pa. Wala ng ball. Ay, ang dam. Dam. Badam.
Thank you, Becca. Are you Ashley? She's Maine. Ashley is another girl. She's Maine. Her name is Maine. Hi, Maine. Nugasan na dapigan.
Ha?
Ay ba, busy pa namin sabi. Adorable like you think. Oh, my. May kulto siya, te. Mayroon. At nasabi kong ikaw na nga ang nilalaman ng puso ko. 17 people in the house. Oh, ako na ako nagsulod. Okay, never mind. What's your name? My name is Cheryl. My name is Cheryl. Cheryl, wala. Wow, 73 likes. Wow. I need to end. I need to go. No need to 100 likes. I need to go to the market. Thank you so much for the supporting me here. See you next live. Thank you guys. Bye bye.